girl, but I'm still a coldest. Hey, I'm the big homie, but I ain't the oldest. Bitch dry hating, trying to get noticed. Man, ain't nobody come to see you, Otis.
Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Bevonity, and I'm back, and I'm better. So guess what we're doing today? We're doing a hair tutorial, a little quick hair tutorial. I'm gonna show y'all how I do my high sleek braid pony, whatever you want to call it, whatever. I have to do something quick because I have somewhere to be in like 30 to 40 minutes, so I have to do a little quick something or whatever. So my hair was it wasn't all the way straight, so I just went in and pressed it a little bit. I didn't do too much. I just did like my whole perimeter. I just pressed it a little bit, and I think I flat ironed it too, yeah. So
turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you. That's true, I'm digging you. You make me believe your love is one in a million. Oh yeah, you give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah,
after I got it straight as I wanted it to be, I just parted it in half, and basically I'm trying to slick it up, not all together in one ponytail. I slicked it up half and half, so I could get a better grip on my hair, because really, if I did it in like one ponytail, it would have been so many lumps. I took pieces of like the edges I wanted to leave out. I ain't want no front edge, the middle of my head. I ain't want no edges right there. I don't know. I wanted like a, little cute, natural, fake little sideburns. And like 2 swoops on each side. So
baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I don't mind spending my life with you.
okay, so this is just what I did. I took some edge control, rubbed it in my hands, and just slicked it up, okay? I ain't want to be all extra and use no beeswax or nothing, or people do it all type of ways, but this is just how I wanted to do it because I had to go, so that worked for me. As you can see, I sprayed a little bit of that. I'm gonna spray more throughout this video, but that was just the top of my head that I was doing first. But yeah, as y'all can see, it's crooked, but don't worry because I fixed it. So yeah, I began with I started with the back. Now I'm gonna do the same exact thing I did to the top. I actually left hairs out in the back too, so I can have like the curl look, like how I'm gonna do my sideburns like that as well.
Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you. That's true, I'm digging you. You make me believe your love is one in a million. Oh yeah, you give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love, your not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. When I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, I want you around.
Yes, as you can see, my ponytail is in the middle now, so don't bash me, okay? All right, so I took my braiding hair. I believe, okay, y'all know the 3-pack. Anyway, I used the 3-bundle pack, and that's, I believe, 2 bundles out of the 3-bundle pack. I put in a ponytail, like I put a knot in it through the middle, looped it around, and I just tied it around my ponytail like 3 times, as tight as I wanted it to be.
For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away.
So I took a small piece out because that piece is going to be what I use to wrap around the braid. And then after that, I just brung the hair over to try to blend my hair in and combed it out so it won't be no type of lumps or tanglies or nothing in it. So after that, I began to braid it. I didn't braid it tight. I had to realize, like, if I braided it tight, it would have looked it funny. So I kind of braided it loose. You can braid how you want it to. You can braid it tight, then loosen it up. But I wanted to just braid it loose so it could just be like my final braid, you know? So as you can see, as I'm doing this braid, I was adding pieces of hair that I had left over. Because I didn't want it to get too skinny, and I also wanted it a little long. So I was doing this for the length and the width. I wanted it to still look thick towards the end of the braid and also long.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist.
Okay, so we're going to take our little piece we left out, and we're going to spray it with Gotz. We're going to wrap it around straight as possible. I was combing it so it wouldn't be lumpy once again, or look like there's no flyaways or anything in it. You have to make sure it's really, really neat because you want it to look sleek, you know? So keep spraying it, keep slicking it, keep combing it until it's straight, boo. Right now we taking our wrap strip off, and we finna get to the fun part, the edges. My hair was itching. Yeah, I know y'all looking at my edges like they wasn't lined up the same, like the 2 sides. Not what I'm doing right now, but the other one, They wasn't lined up the same, but they gonna get there. Okay. And I think it's good to flat iron your edges first before you lay them down, because I feel like they appear more sleeker, and I never really noticed that, but I realized that today when I did them. I was like, oh, okay, I see why people flat iron their edges before they, yeah, because it actually look better. But yeah, I just use the same edge control, 24-hour Ebin with the purple top, and I just slick them bad boys with my edge brush, you feel me? None too major, simple, not hard at all. All I gotta do is slick them, baby, that's it.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions I replay. Sitting right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away.
And I just added some finishing touches with the Gotz spray. And guess what? Y'all, we is done. Like, that's all we had to do. Can you, what? That's it. It only took like 10 minutes. Okay, y'all. So we are done with the look. Hey. We are done with this look. Gave y'all a little tutorial on how I did my hair. You know, got the little back curls for the girls in the back. They're cute. I had this hairstyle before, but it wasn't as cute as this. It's actually cute this time. Well, it was cute last time, but it's actually cuter this time. So I just wanted to make a video of me doing my hair. I know I was going to be able to do it. Only problem I will have with the style is the snagging on the earrings. That's pretty much with every style I have, and I'd be so irritated by that. Like, only way nothing snags on my ear is if, hold on, let me back this up. Only way nothing snags on my ear is if I have a style like to the back. That's the only way. But if I have something like by my ear, it's gonna keep pulling on my earrings, unless I don't have no earrings in. But yeah, this is a high sleek pony. It is so cute and long. How do you look? Oh, should I make a thumbnail like that? Okay. I think I got a thumbnail. If not, I'm gonna just screenshot a whole bunch of stuff. Y'all know I gotta come through with the content. Come on. Oh, hello. We gotta come through with more content because, honey, I've been ghost. And y'all know that. So I'm trying to come back and do something for y'all. So I just gave y'all this video. And y'all better like it. Y'all better do y'all hair like this. Girls, y'all better do y'all hair like this. Okay, but I ain't gonna make this too long. Thank y'all for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace, love, and happiness. You know. Yeah, stay tuned. You know. Show me some love. Yeah. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.